Okay, so Arun, let's proceed ahead with the your HR for HPCL. So brief introduction, Arun.
Hello, sir. My name is Arun Bolaji. I am from Vellore district in Tamil Nadu. I have done my BE Mechanical Engineering from Anna University CG campus, which is in Chennai, which is an oldest institute and college in Tamil Nadu. My father is a welder, and my mother is a homemaker, and I have an younger sister. I have done a 6 months internship training program in Caterpillar India Private Limited, which is a manufacturing company of construction equipment and mining equipments. And currently, I am doing preparation for the PSC exams, and my hobbies are playing chess and jogging.
Okay, so Arun, when did you graduate from Anna University?
Sir, I graduated from Anna University at 2019.
2019, huh?
Yes,
And what
2019.
were you doing after that?
Sir, after that, I started preparing for PSC exams, please.
Okay, so
For
can
the
you tell
last
me
2 years, I am
something about?
preparing for PSCs.
Okay, can you tell me something about Anna University, Arun?
Sir, Anna University, it's an university of which offers courses for B and BTech and MSc programs, and also for MBA programs. So it has 4 campuses, namely CEG, as ACTEC, MIT, and and SAP campus. So I studied in CEG campus. So different courses are available here, and more than 10,000 students are studying in our campus. And it is
Okay,
an oldest in campus in Tamil Nadu.
so Arun, now what is the reason why you're interested in HPCL job?
Sir, my dream is to work in PSU job, and HPCL is one of the Maharatna PSU, and it is a big giant company for downstream manufacturing oil companies, and again it has 2 refineries in Mumbai and Visakhapatnam, which has almost 7.5 million metric megaton per annum. And then they are a leading manufacturing of lubricants, namely Razor, Gold, Lal Goda, etc. And then they have many bottling plants, around 50 bottling plants all over India. And I have seen one terminal near in Chennai, and one bottling plant in Madurai also. So these are the things. I'm very happy to work with HPCL, and also it is a private company,
So this
public sector
HPCL now is a
unit.
subsidiary
So
of ONGC, right?
yes.
So how it is going to affect workers in HPCL?
So actually, after making a subsidiary of the ONGC, HPCL and the ONGC has now become a great giant in oil production and extraction and retail in unit. So both ONGC and HPCL combines both upstream and downstream manufacturing companies.
So do
So
you think employee of HPCL will be treated as good as employees of ONGC?
um, so according to me, the salaries and the benefits which ONGC employees are getting in ONGC company, I think they are similar to HPCL only. So in my opinion, they get the same respect and same salary from both the PSUs.
Arun, tell me something in your personality which makes you suitable for this job.
Yes, sir. Sir, personally speaking, I have completed my BE graduation in 2019, and I have completed many exams, and I have done many exams and I have faced many failures in the initial state of the exams. So my opinion is, I am very strong. I am very stronger mentally, and I am very suitable for this job because I have faced many problems. So and after facing those much problems, right now I have cleared a HPCL exam with a good marks. So I think I think in my opinion I have very stronger uh, problem facing capabilities. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me give you feedback now, Arun. So first feedback is that you are speaking very fast. You reduce the pace of your answering little bit,
Okay.
so that you get time to think also. If some difficult question is asked to you, you get time to think also, and then you answer, right?
Okay.
And then they are going to ask you about HPCL. So that document you will read next time when you go HR with me. So you have to read that document of HPCL which we have prepared.
Okay,
So it's a merger with now ONGC, how it is going to affect HPCL and the employees. What do you think? And about ONGC also you have to read.
okay.
Right. So
Okay,
website, please keep visiting the website of HPCL and ONGC both.
Okay, sir.
So the general awareness, like which ministry it comes under and who is the Ministry of Natural Gas and all. So those kind of questions. And last question, I asked you last question, right? What was that? Why you want to join? Huh?
Why you want to join? Sir, failures. I faced many failures, so I.
No. I asked you why you
Uh,
should be taken. Why you should be taken? How you think you are capable for this job, right?
yes, yeah.
That answer you need to prepare well. So the traits, what you
Okay,
have in you, which makes you suitable for this job. So you said, sir, this is the personality traits I have got. You need to prepare that well. You need to tell certain traits which are useful to them. Like, discipline, hard worker, those kind of traits. So what typically HPCL will look into employee, that is what you have to prepare for.
okay, sir.
Got it? This is how you have
Okay,
to
sir.
prepare for that. And then go for more HR because date has not come. So go for more HRs with me, maybe once in a week. Huh?
Yes, sir. Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you.